Assalamu alaikum. Hi everybody. This is our ticketing system in our company. Initially, we were doing that on Excel, then on Google Sheets. This is the ticket number. This is an app made for the maintenance department. If any problem arises about any machine, any part of the company, there is a ticket for the maintenance department, so they can get notified, and from there they can start their work. They're gonna assign a person who will come resolve the issue, and the person who raised the ticket will gonna close that ticket. So we were doing that on Excel like this. This is a ticket number. The person who raised the ticket, Saifur Rahman, his email, when he raised the ticket, and the machine for which he has raised the ticket. Area was production, department was molding, and what was the issue started and ended. It was status, it's flowed, and the person who is assigned that task is Naim. So these are the areas. For example, this is production. It has different areas we can give here, and these are the people who are in that area. This is a list of the machines of the company. The person, the mechanics who will wanna physically go and repair the machine, and persons to assign. These are the persons who are the managers of maintenance department. They will gonna assign Naim, Jamil, or server for this task. These are all the employees of the company. The main important columns are their name and their Gmail address. Okay. So we were managing like this. From here, we transition towards via Google Apps script a web app. So here is the web app. When you log in, the script all reads your email and gets your name here, Umar Latif. So it's a raised by Umar Latif. For example, I've selected the machine, my area's production, and within that production area, we have some areas like trimming. So we can go and backdate because some problem arise in the past, and you have to tell them after the weekend machine breakdown, and then you submit the ticket. You can attach the picture of the faulty machine or whatever is the problem also. Okay, as soon as you submit the ticket, a ticket will be generated like this here. For example, we take one for example one of this example. Muhammad Wahid, he raised the ticket for his machine 58, and the problem is written here. It's 2 days ago, and once you raise the ticket, it comes in open status, not in open status. So once the ticket is in open status, the managers of maintenance, they see this option. Other people cannot see this option. They see this option, and they assign to a specific person this task. Once the ticket is assigned, it comes in progress or in progress. We can see the ticket is being assigned to Jamil, and now he will start his work. How the maintenance team will gonna see open tickets, and all of these tickets they're gonna assign to a specific person, and after that they can get all the tickets of Jamil printed here, which machine, which person, and all the details, so he can start his work right away. Okay. Also, we can filter this table by the person who raised the ticket, the area from where the ticket is being raised, and the sub area, for example, phosphating, and the status of the ticket, which were closed, and the responsible person. And once the ticket is in progress and the job is done, this close option, I'm admin, I am seeing all the options. This close option will only gonna come on the dashboard of Muhammad Wahid because he raised the ticket. When the job is done, he will gonna close the ticket, and that ticket will gonna come in closed status, resolved. Okay, you can write and type both way. The maintenance team and the mechanic who is repairing the machine, and the person who raised the ticket, they can chat here in the chat box also. And there is a search option. You can find your ticket from here if you want. And then there is analytics. How many tickets are open and closed and in progress? You can see, department wise, and within the department area wise, you can see your department raised by whom, and you can see the status wise, but and you can see the responsible person wise whose tickets are still open, whose tickets are not closed, and like this. Okay. So this is all the app we have. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.